So hello everybody, I am Sandia and today I've got a question for you. How is your posture at this very moment? Remember when you were a child and your parents would say to you, stand up straight? Did your parents ever tell you that? If they did, put a little me in the comments below. So it turns out they were actually doing that for our own good, and that probably deserves yet another like or in the comments below. Even though they might have probably annoyed you at times, they were looking after you. Standing with proper posture helps your body in so many ways, from to your digestion, to your breathing. And it also helps cut down on aches, pains, and muscle imbalances. It can even have an effect on your workout results. So how do you know how good your posture really is? Do you want to know? If you do, comment in the box. Comment in the box below if you want to know. So in this video, I'm going to show you a fun experiment you can try to see how well your posture's doing. All it takes is a wall. But before we get into that, let me introduce myself. I'm Sandia, and I help individuals reduce their lower back pain without relying solely on medical professionals. Okay, so you ready? You ready to get started with your posture check? First, I'm going to walk you through how to do a wall test that lets you check your posture and you can feel exactly what good posture feels like. And then we're going to see how well you maintain that posture once you get into it. So here's how you do it. I want you to stand with your back against the wall, with your head and shoulder blades and your buttocks touching the wall, and your feet about 2 to 4 inches away from the wall. Just have a double check for your foot position because it can make a big difference. So just about 2 to 4 inches away from the wall. What's that in centimetres? 5 to 10 centimetres? Chances are, if you're like most people, you'll notice how that feels different than your normal wall, than your normal standing around position. But wait, this is just the beginning. Next, I want you to reach around and put your hand between the small of your back and the wall. So just around the lower back. So you're up against the wall. I don't know if this camera's picking me up. You're up against the wall, you're standing up straight. And as you can see, well, I don't know if you can, my shoulders are forward. So ideally you want to bring those shoulders back. But before we do that, we're just placing our hand around the lower back. And just around here, you feel there's a gap in between the wall there. So if there's not enough space, just arch your back a little so you can get your hand just in there. So there we go. So see what that feels like. And what I want you to do from here is just draw your stomach in, draw the shoulders back, lift and lengthen through the crown of the head. So nicely engaged, see how that posture feels. So it might be that you were kind of like this, lifting, shoulders back. I hope you can see my head. If not, hopefully you could see what my body looks like. So chances are you're like most people, you're just rounding through your shoulders. So that means then your chest and your shoulders, all the muscles around there get really tight. And often then the hip flexors get really tight as well, because often we're sitting down on a chair for a long period of time. So they get overactive. The hip flexors are just at the front of the hips. They're responsible for lifting your leg up, basically, like when you're climbing up some stairs. So ideally, you want your core muscles to work harder. You want to be able to draw those core muscles in to help strengthen through your back, to lift you up nice and tall and have a lovely upright position. So let me know how your posture is. I'd love to even see some pictures, some side view pictures we've got someone to take, and let me know how you were. And then just walk around the room and see how that feels for you, trying to keep that same posture. So if you've tried this, let me know how you got on. Were your shoulders really forward like mine? I do a lot of exercise, but I'm always rounding through my shoulders. I always have to remember every day, lift, roll the shoulders, lift through the crown of the head. Or if you didn't do it, pause this video, have a go, and comment below and let me know how you got on. If you haven't already signed up, We've got a free Pilates and a relaxation challenge suitable for people with back issues that are beginners to Pilates. And that's running very soon. I will pop the details in the comment box below. So if you want to help improve your posture, begin to strengthen through those core muscles, stretch out your tight muscles, just so you can become much more agile and more confident as you're getting older, then do sign up. I would love to have you there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on the replay, just type in replay. Thank you. Bye-bye.